Alright, today we're going to be continuing on about the Zoom. So last time we talked about making a actual Zoom profile. So this is what we have so far, if you can see mine. The meeting ID for me is right here. Yours is going to be totally different, but that's okay. This is just like you can copy and paste that and it can get you into it. But so from here, this is what your homepage is going to look like. We're right here on profile. So this, you can add a picture. You can edit your name. See, like mine says my name, or you can make it say like Colton Oshel or whatever you want it to be. Sign in under your email. You can link accounts. So see, this is my school account. If I want to link my personal account, like my actual Gmail, you can link it there. Or you could also just edit that and do a whole nother email. That I think you might have to do a whole nother like actual profile and have to set something up, but I'm not for sure on that. So you might try that on your own if you need to, but I'll just stick to what we have now, what we signed up with. You can upgrade this. This is the basic one, so it's the free one, or you could upgrade it so you can get, I think you get like better clarity or something like that. I haven't really touched on that lately, but for this being free, everybody I know uses this, so it's really good. The meeting caps, the meeting right here, you can set this to be whatever you want. This is just how many people can join your meeting at once. So if you have a class of 15, you'd set that to be 15, or you can just keep it as 100, and you can count how many people are there if you need the roster or just to see how many people there. Also, you can change your language here. If you're just a non-English speaker, you can change that. Say if you're like, maybe you're teaching a Spanish class, for instance, you can change it so you can make your students or whoever you're with, say if you're actually teaching that, you can change whatever language you need it to be to help the students or you. Date and time, this is just Central Time. Date format, it shows you, then it gives you an example, and then timeout uses the time format, uses 24-hour time. This is, you can edit your sign-in password, your host key. You can do that sign-in device. You can sign me out of from all devices. So like I have mine on my phone and this, just in case if I'm on the run and I need to join a meeting or anything like that. This can be used also in like schools, your job. For instance, I'm on a church board, and this is, right now we're going through a difficult time with the coronavirus. So this is how we've been getting all of our board meetings for that, and it's working perfectly good. Okay, so now, you see up here you got schedule a meeting, join a meeting, and host a meeting. Now, we're going to for today, we are just scheduling a meeting. This is for, say, you're the teacher and you need to schedule a Zoom meeting with individuals, or for your whole class. You can just schedule the meetings. So like if you want to just get your whole week done, you can schedule it. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to push right here, schedule a meeting. It's going to take us to my meeting. So I'm going to switch this right here. We're going to say Mr. Oshel's class 1014. So this is just going to be like, we're just getting ready for tomorrow's. We're going to do some adding numbers to 20. Now, this is cool right here. If you accidentally spell words wrong, like I do sometimes, it gives you your autocorrect off of your Google. So that's pretty cool. We're going to schedule this. So you can do this, then you can click any of these times. See, we'll just do a schedule for a meeting. Tomorrow at the 14th, we'll just change this. You can change any time you want. You can even click the time and click what number you need to. So we'll say 12. Let's actually go 3 o'clock p.m. There you go. Duration, you can pick however long you need it to be. Say we'll just have a 1 hour class, so we'll just put 1 hour. See, this is your personal ID. So this is for you. If anybody needs to get in contact with you, they can through this. We'll do that. And so all participants, like your students, will have to have their video on. and we're going to save this right here. Now, you can either make this into your Google Calendar, your Outlook calendar, which I do not have, or your Yahoo calendar. Now, this right here, this meeting ID, that is what you're going to copy and paste to send out to the students. So they have that, and that's how they join. Or you can do your invite link. You can copy this and send that out also. I think this one, I've done this one more, and that's easier for me to do because it takes me right to it. This might be tricky because you can get confused with numbers if they don't copy and paste it. But then you get it right here if you're ready to start this meeting, because you already saved this meeting. Just put start up here or back down there. So we're going to start this meeting. And there you go. Now some if you haven't done it yet, you're going to have to download it, and there might be a little download and run Zoom. Or if you already have it like I do, you just push launch Zoom and it'll get you right into the meeting. That's it.